Are you interested in a garden pond or a fish pond that's not a lot of work? Well, today's video is during a service call that I just did this week, and we revisit a pond that we rebuilt last June. The reason why we rebuilt it is in the video, and also some information about the products that the client uses to reduce the pond maintenance. Hi guys, it's Mark from anypond.com, your trusted resource in the UK for ponds and water features, and I'm back at the pond that we recorded last year. It was how to build a fish pond series, and as you can see, now we're in April. The main reason why we rebuilt this pond was basically down to maintenance issues. The previous pond, the 8-foot by 8-foot pond, was being cleaned out once a week. There was a typical box filter with a UV and bits and pieces. We got rid of all of that. We upgraded the pond to an 8 by 10 pond, put in a surface skimmer, a proper surface skimmer. All they've done since June is basically empty the filter basket. That's it. They've also put in multi-aqua sachets, which are basically put in just to basically break down any of the organic waste. Also, we've been using a product called multi-clear to stop the blanket weed from growing. There's a little bit of blanket weed starting to grow now, but that's completely healthy. Today, we're going to clean out the wetland filter and the biofalls, and also we're going to clean out the skimmer and service the pump. So if you've got any questions about this particular pond, how the wetland filtration works, put it in the comment section below and I'll gladly help you out there.